Hey guys, all right, welcome back. This is gonna be just a quick one, an update here. What's going on? So I need to have the roof off and back on in a few more days, 4 days, 3 days, 4 days. So I've been kind of pushing to get that done. I haven't had time to film, so hope you understand. But anyway, let's take a look and see what we have got done. I've got that's the AC, the skylight. This is the bathroom vent fan. These are the gray tank and black tank. This guy right here was the antenna, and that's the fan in the bedroom. So all of those have been removed and covered with plastic. The trim holding this on, there's like a 1x2 in here. It comes out quite a ways. And then this is an 1/8 inch plywood on top of that. That sits down. There's the fiberglass and then an 1/8 inch plate, and they had it stapled into the 1x through the TPO. So I've taken all the staples out, all the screws are out. The only thing I'm having a wonder about is under the nose cap, because it's a fiberglass nose cap. I think that the roof slides underneath it, so I might have to put a cut a few inches out from the nose cap. I was gonna get in and measure the inside, but this thing's ready to come off, and then we'll replace it. I think I'm just gonna try to pull it off, and then we'll try to clean up and stick it right in there upside down on the garage floor and get the foam replaced and the paneling, and then put the carpet on. I got the carpet for it too, so hopefully, and then we'll get it stuck back on. I was just going to, the only ones I really need to cut out are for the tubes, the 2 vent tank tubes, so it'll sit down flush on here, and then I'll be able to, like where the vinyl's cut on here, I'll be able to cut because it'll just be the insulation on the inside on this hole, so I'll be able to come up here on the roof and cut that out and drop it down, and then that'll be our hole. But I think that's, solar panels are off too. But anyway, that's going to be that'll be it. That's just a quick update, and I'll try to get some filming of us maybe lifting it off. I hope it's more than just me, because there's a little bit of weight here, not too much, but more than I want to lift by myself. So anyway, I guess that'll be it. Stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming, guys. Bye.